Elaine, this is a tremendous success story, this clinic, and I just wanted to let our supporters know all about that. Light of Maasai have worked very hard in this clinic. We know this is an integral part of the solution to the health problems in Africa. We know that deaths are down globally by 2.6 million a year, so they're down by 7,000 a day. So it's dropped something like 29 or 30,000 a day down to something like 22,000 a day, half of them in Africa.
Yeah.
So this is a great part of that solution. So tell us how this one came about.
This building was standing empty for about 5 years. One day I was coming from Mombasa, and you know the really small buses that you're really cramped. An old woman and a young man and a young woman got on the bus, and they were carrying a baby, and it was obvious that they were sick. The girl was sick. So I stood up to give her my seat. And I went back to the hospital a few hours later to ask, how's that girl? And I was told she had septicemia, which is blood poisoning.
Wow.
She had given birth 3 days previously and was seriously ill.
Yeah, wow.
And what struck me was, number one, if that bus hadn't passed at that time, how would she have gotten to Rumba Health Centre?
And would she have died?
And she was seriously ill. She didn't have the energy.
Yeah.
She had come to that point on a bicycle.
Yeah.
So what would have happened to her
Sure.
if she hadn't got that bus?
Sure.
And I decided, no, people can't be going that distance when they're seriously ill in search of healthcare. So I wanted somewhere that they can access healthcare, which is free.
For free, yeah.
So I spoke to my associates in Light of Maasai, and we decided to see what we could do with this building, because it was empty. And we went to the Department of Health and we told them, if we fit it out, will you give us nurses? And they said we would be delighted. And so we did. Without Rotary's help, we couldn't have done this.
So with Light of Maasai working behind the scenes on the ground and being our safe pair of hands, and Rotary funding the projects from overseas, and the government coming in behind us, it's just a great solution.
It's a great solution.
How many people actually use this facility?
The first month it was open, 600 people came through the doors in the first
600
month.
people.
In the first month.
Yeah, that's a huge amount of people that have problems and huge amount of pain that's been eased just by this facility.
With Rotary's help, I have been able to make incredible changes. The people of this area alone, look how much their lives are changed forever, just by the ability to be able to walk a short distance here for treatment.
Sure.
I know the difference that Rotary has made here, so it's been a tremendous success.
Yeah. Well done.